outside.
Tornado warning! Holy shit! Holy shit! Tornado warning! Tornado!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for central Madison County in northeastern Georgia until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Holy moly!
It's 7:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is
Tornado warning!
over Powley or near Danielsville,
Listen,
moving east at
listen.
30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage. Danielsville, Comer, Powley, and Vanna. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.